In this video, let's see how to create a new department in Easify Marketing. In the navigation bar, click on Users. Under Users, select Departments. Click on the Add Department button. In the modal, enter the department name and select a manager for the department. Click the Save button in the modal. The department is now created. Click on the Members button in the Actions column to add members. In the Members section, click on the Add Member button. In the Add New Member modal, select the members you want to add to the department and click on Save. The sub-user is now added to the department. That's all about adding a department in Easify Marketing. Thank you for watching.